Hello, Mr. Cole. Welcome to heaven. My name is Bartholomew, your Heavenly Assistant Liaison Officer. And you're my first death, actually. My job is just to help with the transition from the mortal realm up into heaven.
No. Heaven? Am I dead?
Yes, you very much are. You see, the HVN3 deceased and desist letter says you're dead. And if the HVN3 says you're dead...
Wait, heaven. Did Gaz put you up to this?
Gaz?
Oh, look at this. It's so realistic.
Oh, yeah, don't touch those.
It's amazing. I've got to post this to my fans. This is, Wait, where's my phone?
Back with the living, Mr. Cole.
No. What do you mean by back with the living?
I'm sorry for your loss. Sorry, I don't mean your phone, I mean... you're in a better place now.
Okay. How'd that go?
Yes. Well, you see... Now, Mr. Cole, if you wouldn't mind just confirming your previous occupation for me, because I have the phrase danger to society written here.
Look, some say danger, I say innovator. You know how Jesus went around helping the lepers, turning water into wine?
Oh, yes, one of my favourites.
Well, I turn water into a good time. You know what I mean? I just turn the energy up, and who cares if someone gets punched? Because that's me. Hashtag 0 fucks given.
No, it's all right. He's just settling in. Sorry. I appreciate this must be a lot for you, Mr. Cole, but, just mind your language there.
You've got heavies. I get the God's vengeful, right? But breaking your kneecaps because a book's late.
Oh, no, Mr. Cole, they're guardian angels. Break the rules and they grab hold of you and you'll slowly fade away till you vanish and end up downstairs. Darkness. Flames. Everlasting punishment. Yes, because even though this is paradise, we can't have people running around doing whatever they want. No, so everybody follows the terms and conditions laid out by God in that scroll there. Rule number 1, stay off the grass. Oh, if Eve had stayed off the grass, we'd all be in a lot less bother. Little workplace joke. Secondly, breakfast is served 7 till 7:30. 11's is at 10, and by the way, jam first, then cream.
Yeah, but where's the fun stuff? You know, active, unlike this. It's good for your brain. Science proves it.
No, it's okay. He really is turning a corner. Say sorry.
Sorry. My bad.
I can't have you saying the S word, Mr. Cole. Challenges him.
Righto. No S word. Like Voldemort.
Voldemort who?
He's just a character whose name you can't say. From an author who says too much.
Right. I appreciate that there's a lot going on, Mr. Cole, but from now on, just a smidgen of decorum. I'm trying to achieve my angel status.
Wait, so you're not an angel?
No. I'm a grade 3 celestial being. There's a tier ranking system. Yeah, see, I'm grade 3, and I'm about 3 to 4 million souls, give or take, away off my grade 4. Not to mention, I'm on annual leave for 2 weeks, so if we could get back to the form, because after this, we've got the Health and Safety Declaration, and then the Diversity and Inclusion form.
Oh, crikey, you got more forms in than an insurance policy, man.
Yeah, see, I like forms. Yeah, forms are straightforward, quiet. Don't stare at you when you make a mistake. Oh, and I imagine it's quite boring being a seraphim anyway. Wings. Singing all the time.
All right, I'm over this. People wonder I'm an atheist.
Oh, St. Matthew, Mary, gentlemen, please, 5 more minutes. Drinks on me at the inn later. Are you trying to get sent down there?
OK. You can't sing. What powers do you have?
Admin. Oh. I do admin all day, admin. I can type 10,000 words a minute, and I've never run out of a staple in my life.
No, I mean, can you do, like, miracles?
Oh, yeah. Well, I've not attempted a miracle since I was a cherub. I'm a little rusty.
Well, think of this like Britain's Got Talent, and I'm Simon Cowell with less Botox than a soul.
I have no idea what any of that means.
Look, just try it. I'm going to set the alarms off again. Look.
OK, sorry.
I mean, it's hardly feeding the 5,000, is it?
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. I just want to show you some miracles I've been practicing. It'll only just take just one. Okay.
Look, you're doing it again. Just send me back. I won't tell anyone, I swear.
I can't.
Why?
Because.
Why?
Because.
Because what? Your precious rules?
Yes! Rules! Oh, clearly that's something you never think about. People, feelings. Oh, look, by the sounds of it, you've done whatever you want without fearing the consequences. You're taking life for granted. You don't have to worry about other people anymore. I do.
Rules are meant to be broken. A few hundred years ago, nobody shaved, right? And then people started using rocks as tweezers, and then razors, and now we've got the Brazilian wax. They are game changers, they are rule breakers.
What's a Brazilian wax?
I'm not explaining that. Look, my point is, if everyone followed rules to the letter and caring about what other people think, then, well, you're living for them and not for you. Look, go on, take this, make an aeroplane.
Oh, no, absolutely.
No, go on, I'm not asking you to set the scroll on fire. See? No lights, no invisible choir.
But you're so self-assured. I could never be as carefree as you.
Look, I've spent my whole life looking for the next crazy adventure, doing what I want. But it's not about being confident, it's about being yourself. Forget what everyone else thinks.
What, even if you're bound to upset other people?
Yeah, but those who care know that it's not intentional or to spite them, I think. Do you have parents?
A holy father?
Sort of. Mum and Dad. Your mum were great. Funny, those two. They would always lecture me about gallivanting off everywhere. But Mum would always say it's so quiet when you're not around.
I know what quiet's like.
Earth's not quiet.
Oh, no. I know what you're doing, but...
Look, if you can conjure that plane...
And a cactus.
And a cactus, then what's stopping you from doing more?
This? Me? Those two? The guardian angels?
Screw 'em. I believe in you, mate.
Mate?
Yeah, mate. Like a friend.
There's been a clerical error, Mr. Cole.
Wait, what?
It appears you can go back.
No, sorry?
We could both be mortal. We could be friends, pals, bosom buddies.
Buddies, what is it?
On Earth, you've got these teeny tiny instruments, little guitars, fascinating things.
What, a ukulele?
A ukulele, yes, I'm going to learn to play the ukulele. I'm going to join a ukulele club.
Look, Bartholomew, you're having a meltdown here. Is it do great three celestial beings have meltdowns?
I've never been better, Mr. Cole. Hashtag 0 fucks given.
Look, there's say God's got a plan, but do you? Have you ever actually done this before, or...?
Do you know what? I never got round to the practical exam. I could never seem to pass the theory.
No, wait, what?
Oh, Mr. Cole!
Wait, please. I don't want to go down.
Bartholomew? Where are you?